trip. It's about 7 hours from our house, and we're going to Asheville, North Carolina. We're gonna do a little hiking. It's not gonna be anywhere as intense as Montana, but we're gonna do a little hiking. We're gonna do a lot of food finding, coffee shop finding. Maybe we can find some meat shops. It's just supposed to be a really cool place. We come through the front door and we've got a living room, little table and a lamp, and then as you turn, you have the kitchen. And it's got all the things that you need. There's the front door, and as you head up the stairs, got the bathroom. It's really hard to get this in one shot. So you got the bathroom, little sink, and actually we have a composting toilet. And then you go up the stairs again, and you've got the last room. You've got the bedroom. So that's it. It is truly tiny. Hi down there. We're back. We are at the Black Balsam Knob Trailhead. This morning we went to a little cafe called
Liberty House.
Liberty House. It was really good. And so then we drove up here to Black Balsam Trailhead in Pisgah National Forest. So we'll see you on the trail.
You can really tell the difference in elevation, and it's not that much, but we're still right now 4,000 feet higher than anywhere in Mississippi. So
yeah,
there's a little bit of an adjustment when it comes to your breathing, but
just a little.
It's not bad.
But the trail is really well maintained.
Yeah, it's not flat and easy, but it's well maintained and easy.
Okay, so we're, I don't know what this overlook is called, but we just left Skinny Dip Falls or something, and it was neat. Apparently there's been a lot of flooding since one of the hurricanes, so anyway, it washed out. But we're just stopped at this cool overlook, and we're on our way to go do a little shopping. Not like shopping, we like forgot some stuff, as usual.
Yep, this is the best overlook that we've found so far, so
Yeah.
figured we'd stop on the way back.
Yep.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah.
All right, next stop, Asheville,
REI.
REI, and Target.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Bye. All right. That's crooked. Okay, we made it to our
Nobody panic.
Oh, that's a video.
Recording a little bit after you started talking.
Okay, well let me wait till this car goes by and we'll just get started, okay? All right, guys.